Hey, Jim Paar here, and we're going to go live with Restream. So if you're a gamer, if you're a business person, and you want to live stream to multiple networks, that's what we're going to show you right now. So I'm going to jump off my flight simulator and get into the dashboard of Restream Studio and teach you how to go live. Check this out. Hey, Jim Paar, and we're back in the dashboard here. And first of all, before we get started, set up your Restream account. Just pause this video, and then remember, we're going to go through Restream Studio, and it's included in the free version. There's a link below to get that. And also, if you do the $19 a month, you can upgrade, and we'll give you $10 off. So remember to do that. Hit that bell notification, hit that subscribe button so you can see my other videos on going live with Restream and other platforms. So one thing that we're in the dashboard right now, we need to select a destination. So the first thing we're going to do, if we want to go to YouTube, LinkedIn, and all these, we can turn these on just like that. You can add 20 of them if you want to, and go to all those different ones live. And that includes adding additional Facebook pages or private groups. So we're just going to use this Facebook page. And the easiest thing is just to go live and enter the live studio. So now we're going into the studio right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send a link to a guest. And so I'm just going to copy this link and send it to somebody right now. So they've got that link, and we're going to bring them in. We can see that they're in standby mode right here. Let me just show you a quick features. We do have the chat option here. So we could say join us live and send that out to, basically we're on Facebook. So we could send it to Facebook just by clicking this. And the other thing is you can add captions here. So we've got one of the captions up here, but you can just flip through them. So join us on Twitter, and you just want to set these up prior to getting in. And you just do that by hitting the primary text, which is in the white, and then the blue is the secondary. And you can adjust those graphic colors of that just by going down here under graphics and selecting green or whatever you want. So it's as easy as that. The setup is incredible, and it's really cool on this. So we've got a guest that's standing by here, and all we've got to do is to bring this guest in is hit this on button. So there they are right there, and we're gonna mute them just because we're gonna get feedback here. But if you had an image here, you would see that. And you can even spotlight that guest by just hitting this button right here. Otherwise, it goes like this, and you can add captions in there and everything else. So that is how easy going live to multiple social networks and streaming out to them all simultaneously, being able to chat to everybody at once. It's that easy, people. So if you want to get Restream and try it out for free, click on that link below. Remember, subscribe to my videos. We do a lot of different videos on different things, on marketing, SEO, and things that you're going to love. So money-making tips. That's what we're all about, is how to drive a recurring revenue. And if you go to jimpar.com, that's JIMPAAR.com, I've got some special gifts that are waiting for you there. So appreciate you watching. Take care, and see you on the next video.